Copyright disclaimer under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976. Allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Non-profit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use. China raises and processes millions of rabbits every year. China leads in rabbit production, raising over 500 million rabbits each year. Globally, the rabbit farming industry is heating up with an estimated production of around 2.2 billion rabbits each year. Join me in exploring the rabbit farming process in China, from the initial stages to final product processing. The selection and breeding process plays a crucial role in ensuring the health and productivity of the rabbit herd. Natural mating is a traditional and widely used method in rabbit farming. Meanwhile, artificial insemination excels in terms of quantity and efficiency. The conception rate is higher compared to natural methods because the semen is directly introduced into the reproductive organs. The flexible application of both methods will yield the highest efficiency for rabbit farms. Caring for baby rabbits from birth to maturity is a crucial process. Baby rabbits are very small and weak, born without fur and with their eyes closed. Baby rabbits are entirely dependent on their mother's milk. Rabbit milk is highly nutritious, providing all the essential nutrients needed for their growth and development. To ensure healthy growth and high productivity in adult rabbits, it is crucial to provide a nutritionally balanced diet and establish a proper feeding regimen. The use of pellet feed in rabbit farms provides numerous superior benefits in terms of nutrition, health, management, and economic efficiency. The production process of pellet feed is carried out meticulously and scientifically, ensuring the supply of high quality and safe products for rabbits. Vaccination helps prevent common infectious diseases in rabbits, reducing the incidence of illness and enhancing their health. Each disinfection method, whether using liquids or fire sterilization, has its own utility and effectiveness, contributing to a clean and disease-free living environment for rabbits. Ensuring a stable living environment temperature in rabbit enclosures is crucial to maintaining the health and productivity of the herd. By selecting and inspecting feed ingredients and conducting daily and periodic health checks on the rabbits, potential issues can be detected early and timely adjustments can be made. Regular inspections of feed and rabbit health help detect potential issues early and allow for timely adjustments. Hundreds of thousands of rabbits are transported to the processing plant in each batch. The processing plant purchases large quantities of rabbits from local farmers for various purposes. The rabbits are hung on racks by hooking their hind legs onto hooks. This keeps the rabbits in a fixed position, making the cleaning process easier. The rabbits are eviscerated to remove all internal organs. Organs such as the liver, heart, and lungs can be retained for processing or sold separately, while other parts are treated as waste. The rabbits are placed in a rotating drum with a mixture of spices and then taken to be dried before packaging the product. The cleaned rabbits are immediately transferred to a cold storage room to maintain freshness for use in canned fresh meat products. A cutting machine slices the rabbits into various parts, including thighs, torso, back, and smaller sections. The transportation and distribution of fresh rabbit meat across the market help expand the customer base, thereby increasing revenue for the business. Each year, the people of China consume up to 300 million rabbits, an impressive figure that reflects the popularity and preference for this type of food. Across the streets of China, from their bustling cities to small towns, rabbit meat is sold and prepared into many enticing street food dishes. Each year, the people of China consume up to 300 million rabbits, an impressive figure that reflects the popularity and preference for this type of food. These dishes are not only delicious, but also showcase the creativity and high skill of the chefs.